ride from the mainland takes us to the largest of the West Frisian islands, Texel Island.
We are approaching Texel.
Our first stop on Texel is the nature center, Ecomar.
This is Ecomar. It's a self-funded rehabilitation center for wildlife. It's been around since 1973, and we're here to learn more.
We are both animal caretakers. We take care of practically every wildlife animal here on the island of Texel that needs help. Everything that is found is brought towards us, and we either help it or give it first aid and then place them towards other centers which have more special care. Yeah, we yearly have around 80 to 100 seals. Also find seals on the beach that people try to make selfies with them. People try to stroke them because they see it as a pet or something, or they think that it actually calms them down, but that is exactly what you do not want. They start in the quarantine. Depending on the problem, they're usually better within 2 weeks, and then they go outside, and eventually they end up here, staying here till they're around 30 kilograms. Yeah, these are actually the chests, the cages that we transport the animal in.
I think I can fit in that. It looks cozy. Oh, that's nice. They have room, actually.
Well, first we have to close it down for transport. Once we are at that place, we open the fence and the seal can get out and get back to the wild.
Feels good to be in the ocean.
Hi.
Whoa!
Hi. There is no more.
On Texel Island, one of the biggest pastimes is beachcombing. Beachcombing, you cruise along the beach and see what you can find. We're at a museum where they've picked up all of these little treasures that have washed up on the beach. Just go see what they found.
Due to its strong currents, steady winds, and neighboring shipping lanes, this island has become a magnet for anything lost at sea in Northern Europe.
Who had a jar of shells that they actually accidentally dropped overboard? There you go. Try it out. Try it out. I'll put it right there. Yeah. There's a lot of dudes that are working unsafe right now. Get the window down. All right, we're in.
After our short visit on the island, we trekked back to the mainland, to Leeuwarden, which was named the European Capital of Culture in 2018. Leeuwarden has all the characteristics of a typical Dutch city, from bridges and canals to houses from the Dutch golden age of the 17th century. We visit the guys from Timber Skateboards, who we briefly met on Go Skate Day in The Hague.
We try to be as eco-friendly as possible, but on epoxy, it's only half of it is biological. The rest is still a chemical process. You can't work around it.
If you use the strongest stuff, then you don't have to recycle as much because it won't break as much.
Yeah.
So you don't have as much shit in your landfill.
That's a nice one. We should put that on our website.
Well, we have it on our
Oh, we have it. Oh!
Tim gives us a tour, but is reluctant on showing the camera too much.
These are the good presses. This is also, if you want to film this, only the super close-up shots, but not the whole press. Yeah, this is also, you can't film this. It's secret as well.
Print on that?
Yeah.
Like screen print?
No, it's a different kind of print.
Yeah, man.
It's a little secret.
Yeah,
I will show you off camera. We got these molds. They're handmade. Everything here is handmade without a CNC.
Yeah.
This is a big secret. So you're here to film, but you can't film anything.
As his paranoia ratchets up, we make an exit. Before we stop at our final destination, we wanted to drop by the setup grounds of the biggest hardstyle festival in the world to see Jelle and his progress. Hello again.
Hey. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I met him on an after party. I was building these sculptures, and he just asked me, can you make them 2 meters high?
In a couple of days, there'll be 65,000 people partying here. We make it to Amsterdam that night, just in time for the Friday night session.
Skateboards accepted. Let's get amongst
With free participation, this weekly gathering travel across different routes around the city, varying distances of 15 to 25 kilometers.
When people think about the Netherlands, they only think about Amsterdam, but we've been so busy experiencing the whole country that we only just arrived here.
We've had so much fun traveling around Netherlands. We've experienced a lot of things that I didn't even know existed.
We met some amazing people, discovered the culture.
I'd have to say, when you come to the Netherlands, expect the unexpected.